Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique piece of fitness tech designed for the office environment, the Lifespan Ampera. It promises to revolutionize how you stay active while working those long hours at your desk. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Lifespan Ampera is not your typical indoor exercise bike. It's specially crafted to fit seamlessly under your desk, allowing you to pedal away while you work. Now, this isn't the first desk-friendly bike I've reviewed. But it certainly stands out with its independent design and a focus on comfort over intense workout sessions. First off, let's talk build quality. The Ampera feels robust and stable. It stands at about 33 inches tall, which might require a standing desk setup for optimal use. Adjusting the seat was straightforward for me as a 6-foot-tall person, but keep in mind the higher seat position might not be ideal for everyone. Now, comfort is key, especially if you're planning to use this for extended periods. The seat, while not the most comfortable for long rides, is designed more for sitting comfortably throughout your workday rather than intense cycling sessions. The pedals are basic, suitable for normal shoes but lacking options for clipping in. Here's where the Ampera starts to shine. It features a USB-C port that allows you to charge devices while you pedal, which is incredibly convenient for those who work on laptops or need to keep their devices juiced up throughout the day. There's also a wireless charging pad for your phone, although I found it a bit cumbersome to access while pedaling. In terms of performance, the Ampera connects seamlessly to its companion app via Bluetooth. This app tracks your RPM, duration, and lets you adjust resistance levels. It's user-friendly, though I wish there was an onboard display for quick stats without needing your phone handy all the time. Also, remember to end your session in the app to save your workout data properly. I spent several weeks using the Ampera in my own office setup. And here's my takeaway: it's great for staying subtly active throughout the day. During Zoom meetings or while typing, I found myself naturally pedaling at a comfortable pace. However, if you're looking for a hardcore workout, this might not be your go-to choice. Overall, the Lifespan Ampera excels at what it's designed to do, keeping you moving while you work without disrupting your productivity. It's a solid option for those who already enjoy a standing desk setup and want to add a bit more physical activity into their routine. That wraps up our review of the Lifespan Ampera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.